Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Do this now. Plug the headset into the correct jack, or use the USB adapter if you have one, because the wrong port gives no signal. Make sure the inline mute is off and position the boom 1 to 2 inches from your mouth for clear capture. Next, open your system sound settings and choose Razer BlackShark V2 as the input device so the OS routes audio from the correct source. This avoids common misrouting errors. Once the device is selected, install or update Razer Synapse so firmware and microphone profiles are available. This fixes compatibility and offers gain control. In Sound Control Panel, set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz and disable audio enhancements that can alter voice clarity. Then use Synapse or Windows levels to set mic gain, start low, raise until clean without clipping, and enable side tone if you need to monitor yourself so you can speak naturally. Now test the mic by recording a short voice clip and speaking at normal volume. Listen for clarity, background noise, and clipping. Make final tweaks. Angle the boom slightly toward your mouth, set mute behavior to tactile on/off, and save a Synapse profile for gaming and calls. If the mic remains undetected, restart the machine, try a different cable or USB port, and reinstall drivers in Device Manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.